Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the online classes. This is our maths class, and we are going to start the chapter number 5 for the 8th class. Okay. And what is the name of the chapter? You can see right now, brainstorming. Before that, we have finished 4 chapters also, and I have told you to solve so many practice exercises which are even given at your home. So right now, see what is this particular chapter, brainstorming. Brainstorming means brain teaser. You can see here we have to solve some kind of the problems which is just related to the, means we have to put the pressure on our brain, and it is same like that. It is the logical thinking we have to improve here in this particular chapter. All the things are, means there are no particular methods and something all. Only we have to use our brain. How much pressure we can put on your brain, and anyhow we have to go to the answer. See here, our first topic is the divisibility rule. That we are knowing it. Divisibility rule means what are the divisibility rule by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 means we have the single digit 10 numbers we have to see. Right now see by one. First I have written here divisibility rule by 10. By 10, it is very much clear for each and everybody that if we have to divide any kind of the number with the 10, so nothing we have to see, nothing is the rule. Only what is the rule? If the last digit is 0. For any of the number, either means what we have to do, suppose any number is given to you and directly it is asked to you, either that particular number is divisible by 10 or not. So what we have to see? Only we have to see the last digit. Only we have to see the unit place digit. By seeing only the unit place digit, we can say either that particular digit will be divisible by 10 or not. So what is the rule here? If the last digit is 0. If the last digit is 0, meaning is that then only either it is 10, 20, 30, there are so many zeros at the different places. But if the last digit will be 0, then only the particular number it will be divisible by 10. So many examples you can take. For example, 5, 6, 9, 0. This is one example because last digit is 0. Like 7, 000. Again last digit is 0. So there could be so many examples. Nothing to remember. Okay. Our second B, you can see by the 5. Divisibility rule by 5. What is the divisibility rule here? If the last digit will be either 5 or 0. If the last digit will be either 5 or 0, so that particular number, whatever given to us, it will be divisible by 5. If you are reading the table of 5, what will you observe? Just read the table of 5. 5 7 ja 35. Again see what is the last number? 5. If you are multiplying 5 with any of the number, so definitely you are going to get either 5 at the last digit, at the unit place digit, either 0 at the unit place digit, and that's why this particular rule comes in the focus. Either the last digit will be 0 or 5, then only that particular digit will be divisible by 5. That also you can check. Multiply 5 with any of the number. So there could be so many examples. For example, you see if it is 655, so see the last digit. What is the last digit here? 5. So definitely it is divisible by 5. Other than 8, 7, 9, 0, 0. See the last digit. What is the last digit? 0. So definitely it is going to be divisible by 5. So by seeing the digits only, we can see, we can tell that either that particular digit is divisible by 5 or not. Again next see, by the 4. What is the divisibility criteria for the 4? If the last two digit means I am going to talk about the unit place digit also, and I am going to talk about the tens place digit also, including both the digits. Both the last digit means unit place digit and tens place digit. If both the last digit, if they are divisible by 4, if the last two digit is divisible by 4, then only whatever the number that is taken under the consideration, it will be divisible by 4. Again I am repeating the rule. If we have to see only the last two digits. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, then whatever the number it may be, definitely it is going to be divisible by 4. See here, example. Concentrate on the example. For example, I am considering example by my own. See here, same thing you have to do. For example, if the number is 7, 4 and last two digits generally I am taking which comes in the table of 4. So what the two digits I have taken, here in the last two place digit, that is the 32. So only see the last digit 32, last two digit, it is divisible by 4 or not? Yes. So definitely the whole number 7432, it will be divisible by 4. Otherwise you can check it also. See here, 7432, either it is divisible by 4 or not. I am going to tell you. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. What is the remainder? 3. 34. 4 8 ja 34 means 4 8 ja again 32. Again 2 is remainder. 2 3 23. So 4 5 ja 20. Again 3 is remainder, and 3 2 4 8 ja 32. Means only we have to see the last two digit. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, meaning is that whole number will be divisible by 4. Next, see by the 8. What is the rule here? The rule is same like that, 4, but little difference is there. See here, we have to see the last three digits. For the divisibility criteria by 8, we have to see the last three digits. Means 100 place digit, tens place digit, and the unit place digit. All the three last place digit we have to see. And if these all the three digits will be divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. Only we have to take our decision by seeing only the last three digits. See here, what is the example I have written in front of you? 57960. Question is asked to me, either that particular digit is divisible by 8 or not. So which particular digit I have to focus more? Last three digits. See the last three digits and immediately divide it within your brain. Either this is divisible by 8 or not. So yes, 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. What is the remainder? 1, 1 6, 16, 8 2 ja 16, and 0 means 0. Means if last three digits are divisible by 8, then definitely the whole digits will be also divisible by 8. That you can check also. 57960, and suppose I am dividing it by 8. So what happens? See here, 8 1 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56, 8 7 ja 56. So remainder is 1, 1 9 19, means 8 2 ja 16, 16 is there, so 19. So 3 remainder, 3 6 36, and 8 4 ja 32, 3 6 36. So 8 4 ja 32. Again 4 is remainder, and 4 0 40. 8 5 ja 40. So in this way you can check it also again at your home by taking the different examples. If the last three digits it is divisible by 8, so definitely the whole digit will be divisible by 8. So that is the divisibility criteria for the 8. Right now see the next one. By that we will see later on. By 6, before it we have to see divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3. See here, by 2, very simple. By 2, very simple. Last digit should be the even number. If the last digit is even number, what do you mean by even number? Either it is 0, either it is 2, either it is 4, either it is 6, either it is 8. If the last digit, if the unit place digit will be even number, means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So definitely that particular number will be the divisible. That particular number will be divisible by 2. See, there are so many examples. By seeing only you can say that. Only you have to see the last place digit. If in the last place digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 they are coming, meaning is that that particular digit will be divisible by 2. No need to check also. Okay. So this is a very simple rule that we are knowing. During the prime factorization we see the same thing. By seeing the same thing only we do the prime factorization, and we come to know either it is a even number, so definitely it will divisible by 2. Right now see by 3. What is the divisibility criteria by 3? Look here. If the sum of all digits, it is divisible by 3. If the sum of all digit it is divisible by 3, or it is a multiple of 3, it is coming in the table of 3, so definitely that particular number will be divisible by 3. During the prime factorization also I tell you the same thing. Right now see any of the example you can take. For example, in front of me I have taken the example 5 4. For example 5 and 4 9. So this particular digit will be definitely divisible by 3. See here, 3 1 ja 3, 2 4, 3 8 ja 24. Again if I want to change the number, so suppose I am taking 3 2 5. what 3 to 5? Right now 5 is not coming in the table of 3. So how much I require? I require 4 also. 3 to 5 and 5 and 4, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Definitely this digit will be divisible by 3. Why? Because the 9, because the sum of the digits, it is coming in the table of 3. It is divisible by 3. See here, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. And after that directly 24 I have to take. So 0 will be there, 3 8 ja 24. So in this way I can check by taking different kind of the examples. But what is the main rule? Sum of the digits you have to find out, and if the sum it is divisible by 3, it is the multiple of 3, so definitely the whole digit will be also divisible by 3. Right now see. Next is the by 9. It is same like 3. It is same like 3. See here, sum of all the digits should be divisible by 9. Again we have to go for the same thing. Again we have to find the sum of all the digits, and if the sum of digits it is divisible by 9, then the whole digit will be divisible by 9. See here again. For example, I am considering 1, 2, 3, 7. For example, randomly I have selected the number. Add all the digits. 7, 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 7, 3, 10. 10 to 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Right now, what is the sum right now? 13. What we require so that it will be divisible by 9. So after the 13, what is the next number that is coming in the table of 18? So 13 plus 5 is 18. So directly I am writing here 5. Right now check. 7, 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 1, 13. And 13 plus 5, 18. Right now the sum is 18. You can check again. Sum is going to be 18. And I am saying that it is divisible by 9. Check it right now. 9. 9 1 ja 9. 9 1 ja 9. What is the remainder here? 3. If 12 is here, so what is the remainder here? 3. 3 3 33. So how much time it will go? 3 3 33. So 9 4 ja 36. So 9 3 ja 27 will be there. 3 3 33. So 9 3 ja 27. And what is the remainder right now? 6 I think. 27 means 330. 6 is remainder here. 6 7 67. Right now how many times 9 it will divide? 9 7 ja 63. 9 7 ja 63. What is the remainder right now? 4. And right now 4 and 5 45. So it will comes 5 times. 9 5 ja 45. So in this way you can check any of the number. Only you have to go for the sum of all the digits. If the sum of digits it is divisible by 9, so definitely the whole digit will be divisible by 9. Right now see by 11. By 11 you have to see by 11.